haven't done this in a while, so just got the boat home. I have a few updates here. Probably gonna replace the radio because radio just like no longer like works, or yeah. So we ordered a new radio with still dents in here. I'll probably just get rid of it, use it for parts. So yeah. Yeah, I'll just bring in the house and use it for parts. So yeah, this is the boat here. It's comfortable for like 8 people here. It's like that's our marketplace here. So show you guys what the inside looks like. Yeah, if you guys want to go on here, just move that anchor out of the way. There it is, right there. It's for the inside. And check this out. So you guys open this up. And you can open this. And show you guys here. And I'll take you guys here. And right when you're changing in your swimsuit, and voila. And you have like privacy. All I gotta do, I gotta move all the stuff out of the way. So I don't feel like doing it now. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys here. I'm gonna show this to you guys. Show my passion. Here's the zipper. Deuce. Close the zipper. It's really quick here. And boom, you have privacy. And you can have like privacy time. You can have like privacy time there. You can have like privacy time. Right near tanking in your swimsuit. So yeah. And they won't even see you. And they won't see you. And they will not look at you. It's really nice about this. I'm gonna move out here. Here it goes. I'm gonna put this down here. There it goes. Put this up here. I'm gonna close it. And all I gotta do, open this up, release this, and boom, you have privacy in there. And close the zipper, and boom, and you're safe. And everybody is safe. Here's what the motor looks like. So here's the wheel. Just look at that. So it's turning. I'm not gonna start here. I'm not gonna do the horn because yeah, for some reason. Here's USB plug. Old Jensen radios, like 11 years old, just no longer work. So they'll probably use it for parts in there. Haven't put the battery in yet. Check out some lights. And now we took the battery out because we learned a lesson on it. So we took the battery of it before I put it in the storage. Just learned a lesson on about that one. So he had this boat. You wanna know how long we had it? We had it since like 2018. So yeah. So it's a nice boat. I have on like a big crate in there, so I have like a big crate here, so yeah. So I've done this in a while. That's what it looks like in here. Hope we get the camper home there, so yeah. Let's look at that, it's key to start. This one is a plank key, like always. And yeah. And check this out. With 8 people with these really nice speakers in there. And you guys should have some storage in there, stored some equipment there, and this is like a store there. You can put stuff in there, you can lock it, nobody will get in. And here's what it looks like. It's under here, and I'll show you guys here. And this here, all that life jackets in here. Check this out, more life jackets. And here's the trash can. Trash can for garbage in there. It's good for your garbage away. These are my bowls in there. Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Here's more stuff in there. More life jackets. So stuff in there. I'll show you guys here what it looks like inside the boat. Have this, you can do the speed. That does the speed. That lowers or upper and lowers down the motor. So that's what the driver's seat looks like. Driver's seat. Here's the driver's seat looks like in here. Look at that. Everything. So yeah. So I make this slow vlog here. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, see you guys later. and bye. Hopefully I'll just put in the watch soon.